Well, hello, hello, hello.
The real Santa Claus. The
Yes,
Finnish
yes,
Santa
yes,
Claus.
and it's nice to see you also. It's very nice that you came here. So
It's very nice to see you.
you have been very, very kind. So that's very good also.
How are you? I understand this is the first time you've come from the Arctic Circle down
Yes.
to Helsinki to do all of your work. Are you happy with what you see in Helsinki?
Yes, yes, I'm definitely very happy because this is a new place for me. This is very old place, and it's nice to see all the children and adults coming to here, and their eyes are totally open, and they start to take photos because it's so beautiful in here. And as soon as the kids see me, they stop everything, and then usually they run to me or they will run away. But always they come here, and we have very, very nice pictures.
How is Rudolph?
Rudolph is fine. We have a nice zoo over there, so they are resting over there because they know other animals over there, so they usually go there while I'm working in here.
And how busy do you think you will be this year?
Well, this year it's going to be very, very busy also, but I have lots of experience. So many years I've been a Finnish Santa, so I know what to do and where to go first. And I have good team also. All the elves in Korvatunturi, Air Mountain, and also in Arctic Circle. Very, very good team. I wish very, very much Merry, Merry Christmas to all the countries and especially in Europe. Petteri Punakuono ja minä, joulupukki, toivotan kaikille teille oikein hyvää joulua.